How to send USDT from Bitget wallet to Binance. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send USDT from your Bitget wallet to your Binance wallet. So let's get started. First, you need to know that if you are willing to send your USDT from Bitget, that means you're sending it from Bitget and means you're withdrawing from Bitget and you're depositing or receiving that on Binance. So first of all, you get to download both of the applications on your device and then you get to sign into the accounts. And over here, you'll have to first open your Bitget wallet and then you gotta click on more over here. And then you gotta click on send over here. That would be in the trending section. If not, you can simply scroll down until the wallet tool section and click on send. And here you're sending USDT. So you're gonna simply go to the search bar and type in USDT. And here is USDT and you're gonna simply click on it and you can select the network over here. You can see that I have chosen Ethereum and here you're gonna type down the receiving address and the amount. So in order to get the receiving address, you gotta head over and open your Binance. So here you're gonna click on more, and once you do so, what you gotta do is simply search for the option of deposit. So here is deposit. You gotta click on deposit and then you gotta select the coin. In our case, it's USDT. So I'm gonna select this and then you gotta select the same chain that you chose over here. Here we chose Ethereum, so I'm gonna choose Ethereum here as well. And then you gotta copy this address and then you gotta head over to your Bitget again and paste that address over here. And then you gotta type down the amount that you wish to send. And after that, just make sure that you do have that much amount in your account. And then you gotta head over and click on confirm. So that was how you can send USDT from your Bitget wallet to Binance. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.